Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Questions related to tropical and temperate grasslands always come in exams. In this video, we will learn tricks to remember tropical as well as temperate grasslands. Tropical grasslands are situated near the equator between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The climate is basically of Sudan type, which means distinct dry and wet season. The tropical grasslands are Campos in Brazil, the Green region, Llanos in Venezuela, and Savanna in Africa. And the temperate grasslands are Prairie in North America, Pampas South America, Pustas in Hungary, Steppes Asia, Wild in South Africa. It's not showing in this map, but it is here. Downs in Australia. And the trick to remember these grasslands, first for tropical grasslands, trying to camp in Brazil land, very important to save Africa. From trying TR, remember that it is for tropical grasslands. From camp, campus in Brazil, which means campus is in Brazil. From land, Llanos. From VE, Venezuela. Llanos, Venezuela. Important to save. From save Savanna and Africa, which means Savanna in Africa. For temperate grasslands, pray in the temple in north, eat pasta in south, push hunger, step into Asia, wield the sword, bring down Australia. Imagine that Alexander is instructing his soldiers to pray in the temple first, then eat pasta, push the hunger, then step into Asia, and with the help of their sword, they bring down Australia. From pray, prairie, in the temple, from temp, you can remember it is for temperate grasslands. In the north, from north, North America, prairie in North America. Eat pasta in south, from pass, Pampas in South America. Push hunger, from push, Pustas in Hungary. Step into Asia, steps in Asia. Wield the sword, from wild grassland in South Africa. S from South Africa. Bring down Australia, from down, downs in Australia. So this is the trick to remember all the grasslands, tropical as well as temperate. Hope you like this trick. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.